Molly, the court case against a man who admits he brutally murdered a New River pastor may wrap up sooner than expected. Today, that lone defendant in this case abruptly tried to plead guilty in court.
The judge put the brakes on that plea, but indicated she may accept it at the next hearing. Stephanie Dupre is looking into what led to today's courtroom drama.
Well, these high-profile murder cases can typically take years to get through the court system. I spoke to a defense attorney today who says that a judge in any case has to be certain that the defendant, which in this case is Adam Schief, understands the charges and the penalties that come with it before moving forward. And today, that was not the case.
Here you have a defendant who, obviously wants the death penalty. And says that there are no mitigating factors. It was obvious that the defendant didn't understand that he couldn't plead no contest, which isn't the case here because he clearly remembers every single detail.
Criminal defense attorney Josh Kolsrud is laying out what he thinks Adam Schief did not understand in court today. Schief has admitted to brutally murdering and then crucifying New River pastor Bill Schoeneman last year. Kolsrud has no affiliation with the case, but pointed to this comment by Schief.
It's an undisputable fact that the victim, Pastor Bill Schoeneman, was over 70 years old. It's an undisputable fact that the crime was heinous in nature. I intended it to be heinous. So there are two aggravating factors, and I have no mitigating factors.
Kolsrud says there are mitigating factors, and even the judge pointed it out.
Which is, if he gets this done early, that in itself is a mitigating factor because he's saving the victims from more torment having to go through the process. Now, it's probably not enough to give him a life sentence, but it's certainly a mitigating factor, even if he doesn't want to admit it.
Kolsrud added that there is a judicial process, and you can't just plead guilty and be done with it, which is what Schief tried to do.
Why do we have to drag this on and on and on? Why can't we just go to sentencing?
And during all of this, Pastor Bill's family was watching. Pastor Bill's son, Randy Schoeneman, told me he tuned in virtually and said he agrees with the judge and doesn't want to rush things and only wants to go through this painful process once. And the judge did not accept a guilty plea today, but indicated that she might at the next hearing. Now, what's left to decide is if Schief will get the death penalty, and we should learn more about that at that next hearing next month. Reporting for Arizona's Family, I'm Stephanie Dupre.